Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 25 of the CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn a very powerful and smart data feature, the replace face command. Replace face allows you to quickly modify your model's geometry by replacing one surface with another. It is extremely useful when we redesign the parts, modifying curvatures or updating imported models. So let's start. Go to start, mechanical design and part design. I'm renaming this part as replace face and click on OK or press enter to get into the part design workbench. Now we are in the part design workbench and this is our dress up feature toolbar where we are going to find the replace face command or tool in the drop down of remove face. So to replace a face, first of all we need a body or object and a surface where we can replace the one face to the another surface. So let's start and create a 3D model or object. Click on the XY plane, click on the sketcher and we are into the sketcher workbench. Click on the rectangle and click on the center or origin of your model and click on the another point and give the dimensions. Here I want this 150 and this one should be 75 and click on the exit workbench. To give the thickness we will use the pad command to give the thickness here and 20 mm. Click on OK. One model is created and I want two other. One is this, a circle, another rectangle, and a parallelogram. Okay, now I have three different shapes. Here I am going to use the multi-pad command or tool to create these objects. Click on this here and here we have three different shapes or object or sketch here and I will give the thickness of the center one is selected now to 25 mm and the rectangle as 10 mm and the circle as 20 mm and click on preview and click on OK. Now I have three different models created here. Here what I want to replace this face with this one much. The height of the rectangle increase to same as the parallelogram. For that what I will do, I will click on the replace face from the drop down of remove face and click on the replace face and select the replacing surface, this one my replacing surface and face to remove this one and click on OK. Now you can see the height of the parallelogram and the height of the rectangle is same now. This is how we can replace a face to another surface. Like that, if I want to remove this surface to this one. Then this is used for addition right now what we see, and let's use one for delete or removal of the object. Click on the replace face. This is my replacing surface, and this face I want to remove, and click on OK. Now you can see the circular cylinder is removed from the body or the object. Okay, this is how we can use the replace face, and we'll go and do another example. We'll do another example. We have another surface where we are going to replace these faces of our objects. For that one, first click on the replace face, click on the surface, and click on the face to remove. You cannot select multiple objects, you have to select one by one. For that, first I will do for the parallelogram and click on OK. Now you can see this is replaced to this one, and let's do for this one. Now click on OK. Now you can see this is also possible to modify the curvature of your model. Deactivate this one and do replace the face for the circle, cylinder and the for the cylinder you can see, and let's do for the rectangle as well, and click on OK. Now this is how you can use your replace command to modify different curvature and update imported models, redesign of your parts. So that's all for today's session on replace face. This command gives you a lot of flexibility to modify parts quickly, especially when working with complex or imported geometry. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.